In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HTTPS webhook requests for local n8n with Ngrok. By the end, you'll have a secure public URL that forwards to your local n8n, so external services can send webhooks to your workflows safely over HTTPS. Start by opening your terminal and creating a public tunnel to n8n's default port. Assuming you already have Ngrok installed and running, type ngrok http 5678. Port 5678 is the default n8n port, so this tells Ngrok to forward public traffic to your local n8n. When Ngrok starts, it will display a forwarding address. Make sure you copy the HTTPS version of that address, as that's the one you'll use for secure requests. Keep this terminal window open. If you close it, the tunnel stops. Next, you need to tell n8n to use that new Ngrok address when it generates webhook URLs. Open a new terminal window so your Ngrok session stays active. Run the appropriate command for your system to set the webhook URL environment variable, and then start n8n. For example, on Windows PowerShell, you can set it and launch n8n in one line like this: env.webhook URL https/your ngrok subdomain.ngrokfree.app n8n. Replace the value with your actual HTTPS forwarding address from Ngrok. The key here is that n8n now knows its public-facing URL for incoming webhook requests, so any webhook node you add will use that secure domain. With n8n running, open your n8n dashboard in your browser. If you were already in n8n before setting the variable, refresh after relaunching so the new configuration takes effect. Create or open any workflow and add a webhook node. Configure it as you normally would. Because you set the webhook URL, the node's endpoint will be generated using your Ngrok HTTPS domain. You should now see a full public HTTPS URL on the node, ready for external apps and services to call. Copy that URL and use it in your third-party tool's webhook settings. If you're testing, put the node into test or listen mode so n8n waits for an incoming request, then trigger the webhook from your external app to confirm everything is wired up. A couple of tips as you work: keep both terminals open so the tunnel and n8n stay active. If Ngrok assigns a new URL later, update webhook URL and restart n8n so the node URLs refresh. And always use the HTTPS forwarding link to ensure secure transport. That's it, you've enabled HTTPS webhook requests for your local n8n with Ngrok.